When it comes to choosing between Roku and Firestick, it's important to consider what you prioritize in a streaming device. Roku is known for its intuitive interface, making it easy for users of all ages to navigate, and it supports a massive selection of channels, offering more than 4,500 options, including all major streaming services without favoring one over another. Its platform-neutral approach ensures you get equal access to Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and others, which is perfect for those who want variety without bias. On the other hand, Firestick, powered by Amazon, integrates seamlessly with Alexa for convenient voice controls and offers personalized recommendations based on your viewing habits. It's especially appealing if you're already part of the Amazon ecosystem, as it provides quick access to Amazon Prime Video and integrates with other Amazon devices in your home. While both devices are affordable and support 4K streaming, the choice ultimately depends on whether you prefer Roku's simplicity and neutrality or Firestick's ecosystem and smart home capabilities.